Hi, welcome to this video on Introduction to Scikit Learn. I am Raghavendra, an expert in AI, ML and data engineering. By the end of this video, you will be able to understand the need for Scikit Learn and describe the various functionalities of Scikit Learn. Now, let's understand what is Scikit Learn. It's a de facto library for machine learning and provides a wide range of algorithms for supervised and unsupervised learning. It was first developed by David Cournapeau, a Google summer code project in 2007. Matthew Brusher later joined the project and used it as a part of his thesis work. In 2010, a French-based research institute, INRIA, Institute for Research in Computer Science and Automation, got involved in the project. The first public release was published in late January 2010, which focused on modeling the data. It offered a vast array of functions and modules for modeling the data. Now, let's take a look at the different functionalities in Scikit Learn. Scikit Learn is used to split the dataset into training and test sets, perform some data preprocessing like standardizing or normalizing features, encoding categorical columns, and extracting features. It's used for model building for classification and regression algorithms, and it can as well be used for clustering algorithms. Now, let's take a look at how Scikit Learn is used to split the data. For supervised learning algorithms, the data set needs to be divided into training and test sets. Below is the method of Scikit Learn, which is used for splitting the data into test and train sets. Algorithms like KNN classifier, k-means clustering, etc. use distance measures, hence require the features to be scaled. For example, let's consider the age and loan features. Both these features are on a different scale. The standard scalar method of Scikit Learn is going to scale the data by subtracting every column by its mean and dividing by its standard deviation. This is going to ensure that every column is on a uniform scale. Now, let's take a look at the classes in Scikit Learn module used for classification and regression. Scikit-learn.linear regression is used for linear regression. Scikit-learn.linear regression is used to build a logistic regression classifier. Scikit-learn.tree classifier is used to build a decision tree classifier. Scikit-learn.knifebase.Gaussian knife base is used to build a classifier based on knife base. Scikit-learn.svm.svc is used to build a classifier based on support vector machines. Here are some of the methods in Scikit Learn used to measure the performance of classification and regression models. Scikit-learn.metrics.accuracy_score, Scikit-learn.metrics.f1_score, Scikit-learn.metrics.precision_score, Scikit-learn.metrics.recall_score, Scikit-learn.metrics.roc_auc_score, Scikit-learn.metrics.r2_score. Here are some of the classes in Scikit Learn used for clustering. Scikit-learn.cluster.k-means is used for k-means clustering. Scikit-learn.cluster.agglomerative clustering is used for agglomerative or hierarchical clustering. Scikit-learn module in Python has a large collection of inbuilt datasets, which can be loaded using the below set of commands. First, we'll need to import the datasets module of Scikit-learn. This is the command to do that. Suppose we want to load the built-in iris dataset, then the below command does the job of loading the dataset into a Python dictionary object. Here are the list of methods in Scikit Learn datasets module. For instance, the load Boston method is going to load the Boston dataset, and load breast cancer is going to load the breast cancer dataset. Now, let's summarize the key takeaways from this video. Scikit Learn is a de facto library for machine learning and provides a wide range of algorithms for supervised and unsupervised learning. Scikit Learn provides methods to split the dataset, pre-process the data, perform classification and regression tasks as well as clustering tasks. Scikit Learn comes with a large collection of inbuilt datasets which can be loaded into Python dictionary objects. Thank you for watching this video.